Welcome to another Paraiso Realty walking tour. Today we're up in the hills, the foothills around El Yunque rainforest on mainland Puerto Rico. We're in the municipality of Canóvanas, and we are in the neighborhood of Los Lomas. We've got a little 2-bedroom, 1-bath home here. Great little roof deck, and as you can see, up here in the hills, we've got some nice valley views. It's very cool, very lush, and very quiet. People who live up here often say this is the sane life. So stay tuned. I'll take you on a tour. Welcome to Barrio Los Lomas. We're up here in the foothills of El Yunque. This is facing west. Got yourself a cute little 2-bedroom, 1-bath here. 1 story, but there is a roof deck. And as you can see, rejas out here on a porch, security windows throughout the rest of the house. Here's the main entrance right here, and this here is the steps that go up to the roof. I'll take you up there after we go through the first floor. Main entrance here is a nice little sitting area, little porch. This is a concrete building. There's another little storage area here. There is a door over there that goes to another room, kind of a laundry room. I'll show that to you in a second. I imagine that's probably a door to use if you're out gardening and you don't want to get the living room and other areas messed up. Kind of a back door to pantry, laundry area. Under the stairs there you can see there's a water pump. There is a cistern up on the roof. A lot of folks are looking for cisterns these days when they buy properties. Also of note here, I just noticed there's also some tile here. And this matches the tile that's in the living room. It's a nice little plus when you're buying properties, especially used properties, that if there are any extra tiles or paint that match what's already in the house, it certainly is a blessing. Especially tile these days, you want to try to match tile that perhaps is 20 years older or something like that. So we come to the front door here, nice screen metal door, and we enter right into the living room. There's the stairs that go up to the roof. You can see it out the window there. There's the kitchen dead ahead. The bedroom over here to the left. Again, you can see the glass windows, screens, little blue filter on the glass. So this here is kind of a living room, sitting area. You can figure out how you want to divide up this room. It looks at one point this was a dining table right there under the lamp. So you can arrange this and design it as you please. Kitchen cabinets are in place. I'll give you a little idea. Some of the hinges. Glass window. Cabinet drawers. It's kind of a synthetic countertop there. Double sink, always nice. More cabinets on the side. And over here would be a space for the refrigerator. So looking back, there's the front door we came in. There's the lamp where the table was. You'll notice there's a couple of rooms off the side here. So let's start with this one right here. This is the bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. This is the bathroom. As you can see, the tile on this floor is the same here. It's basically the same tile throughout the whole house. So again, you've got those extra tiles outside in case one of them breaks. Little vanity, mirror, toilet, and a built-in shower. And a little room over here if you want to put linen closet or whatever else. A little extra storage area is always nice. A little extra space in the bathroom. So that's the bathroom. Heading back towards the front door over here, corner of the property, corner of the building, is a bedroom. So the bedroom there, got a ceiling fan with the light. Got windows, that's facing east, and this is facing north. There's your electrical box. And you can see they have painted some of the walls, a little decoration. And there is a closet here, mirror sliding doors. There is some cabinetry there. There's actually what looks like water main shut off that might be coming, I'm guessing. Actually, I don't know. It looks like it might be running to the roof, but there is a water main there. So it's looking back out. Back to the living room. Over here, this is that laundry room I was telling you about that we saw from outside. There's the door. So if you're outside in the garden, this can be turned into a laundry room, muck room, stuff like that. There's actually, you can see a laundry hookup right there. Electricity, another sink. So this, I think, does turn into like a little pantry, laundry room, muck room. So if you want to come in from the garden area, you don't have to worry about messing up the rest of the house. And the last room here that we haven't seen yet, this is the, let's see, west, south, so the southwest corner of the house. Again, the glass windows. This is a bedroom. Again, same tile. And actually you can see the little creative headboard there that's painted on the wall. So again, we're back into the central kitchen, living room area. So that's the inside of the house. Let's go outside, because there's certainly lots to see out there. We're back onto the porch. Back past the entryway of the muck room and the water pump. This is about a half-acre property. This here is facing, right there is facing west. There is a valley down there, and as we get up on top of the roof, we'll see if we can get a little better view. This here are the stairs that go up to the roof, concrete stairs. There's a gorgeous Flamboyans tree right here, the edge of the house. Let me see if I can show you some of the flowers. Right now we are in mid-July, which is the month that all the Flamboyans come into bloom. So this just shows you the color. It's a nice orange color, like most Flamboyans, in full bloom. There are some other flowers around, some other plants. There's a torch ginger. There's some, I think it's a banana tree. This right here is a huge mango tree. Look at that, there's a huge royal palm up there. Gorgeous. Some more mango trees. I look out in here, needs a little weeding, but there's some nice heliconia. Oh, look at that, way out there. Huge batch of heliconia. Gorgeous. Over here, there's some more, looks like gingers. I might be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Please correct me in the comment field below. And there's the parking area. And then here's the roof deck. So I've shown you the garden area, but I didn't show you the roof deck. So good space. This is about 1,200 square feet up here, a little less. So that's ideal for, you know, coming up here. Let's put a gazebo up here, another wood deck of some sort. Great little outdoor space. There is a hot water heater here. This is a solar hot water heater, which certainly is perfect. And right there is a cistern. So this is Barrio Los Lomas in Canóvanas. We're about half hour to San Juan, half hour to Juncos, probably about half hour to Caguas. Centrally located, very affordable, and actually I didn't show you this, but you can try to see and peek out through the trees there. You can see the valley. Imagine that since this is the land runs downhill right here, this is the area you can clean up and garden and open up that view. And up here, actually you can see the trees moving. There is a nice breeze here. The house does not have air conditioning, but up here in the hills, it's not exactly necessary. There's always a breeze. It's always cooler up here. It's always refreshing. So any questions on this property, please contact us through our website, www.paraisorealtypr.com. I'm Bob. Thanks for taking this tour. And if you've enjoyed it, please subscribe, please share it, please like it, and we'll see you in our next video.